Okay, now we have another set of sentences. First, ビールを飲みますか? ビールを飲みますか? Okay, so we have particle o, 飲みます is to drink, and the last ka is a question marker. So the question marker ka transforms any statement into a question. So, pag tinanggal natin yung ka sa dulo, yan, okay. Halimbawa, pag tinanggal natin yung ka sa dulo, ビールを飲みます。ビールを飲みます means I drink beer. I drink beer. Okay? So, blank. Blank o nomimasu. I drink, ano, beer. I drink beer. Beer o nomimasu. Now, linagyan lang natin ng ka sa dulo and now it becomes a question. Beer o nomimasu ka? Beer o nomimasu ka? Do you drink beer? Okay? Kanina, yung sentence natin, for example, is terebi o mimasu, right? Terebi o mimasu means I watch TV. Okay? If you're going to put ka at the end of this sentence, it will become terebi o mimasu ka? Ayan. Terebi o mimasu ka? Do you watch TV? Ayan. So, then, pag nilagyan lang natin ng ka sa dulo, no, it will turn into a question, magiging, do you watch TV? Terebi o mimasu ka? Do you watch TV? Terebi o mimasu ka? Ayun po. So, as you can see, na-transform niya with just one character. With just ka at the end of the sentence na bago yung statement. Naging tanong, naging question na siya. Okay? So that's particle ka. Okay? Next, I like chocolate. チョコレートが好きです。チョコレートが好きです。Okay? So yun namang ga 好きです means I like. I like. Okay? So, anything that you like, pwede mong ipalit dito sa blank na part. Blank ga 好きです。チョコレートが好きです。I like sushi. Sushi ga 好きです。Okay? Anything. Yeah. I like pink. Pink ga 好きです。So, ganun siya. Anything na gusto mo, pwede mong ilagay dito sa may blank na part. Okay? So, una muna, no? Question marker. How to add ka. So, ilalagay mo lang yung ka sa dulo ng statement and magiging question na siya. Pangalawa, how to say I like. So, I like blank. Blank ga 好きです. Okay, notice the particle po, no? Ga ang ginagamit. Blank ga 好きです. Next, I will look it up on the internet. インターネットで調べます。インターネットで調べます。Now, internet, インターネットで、okay? 調べます。調べます is to search, okay? Look something up or to search. Ayan po, no? And yung particle de indicates a tool. Okay? Anong gagamitin mo sa pagsisearch? Internet. I will use the internet to search for something. インターネットで調べます。インターネットで調べます。Now, if you want to change it, halimbawa, naghahanap ka ng meaning ng words, no? So, you try to look it up using a dictionary. jisho. Jisho is dictionary. So you can say, jisho de shirabemasu. So yung tool na ginamit mo is dictionary. So, jisho de shirabemasu. Okay? I'm going to search using the dictionary. Okay po? Jisho de shirabemasu. Okay. はい、いいですか? Okay. Next, number 4 or the fourth line here. Okay, so for the next line, this class is fun. このクラスは楽しいです。このクラスは楽しいです。Okay. この means this. And クラス. So this class. は particle は is the topic marker. So ano bang pinag-uusapan natin? Yung class na ito. このクラス。このクラスはyon. So yung wa is a topic marker. And then, ano yung tungkol dito sa class na to? 楽しいです。It is fun. Okay? このクラスは楽しいです。Okay. So, この is this and you can use it before any word. Halimbawa, このマーカー this marker. このクラス this class. このパソコン this computer. Ayan. Then, what is your topic marker? And then anything that you want to say, any information that you want to say about your topic. Yon. So, halimbawa po, このマーカーは高いです. This marker is expensive. Takay. Ayan. So, yung takay can be the information that you want to say about your topic, which is このマーカー. Okay? I'll type it here. このマーカーは高いです. Yan. Takai is expensive. このマーカー is this marker. Then, what is the topic marker, no? Yan. Okay. Hi. Okay. So, yung pattern na yan, yung pattern po na yan, no? That is the X, Y, this pattern. Which is, ayan, yung X, Y, this pattern, one of the basic pero importante talaga na pattern and most commonly used pattern sa Japanese language. Ayan po, no? X wa, Y this. Okay. Number 5. Philippine kara kimashita. Philippine kara kimashita. Now, the word kara is from ang ibig sabihin. Kimashita means came. So, came from. And the blank part here is saan ka ba galing? O, halimbawa, from your own country, no? You came to Japan from the Philippines. So, you say, Philippine kara kimashita. Okay? Halimbawa, foreigner ka from America. Then, you introduce yourself as someone, and then sabihin mo, I'm from America. America kara kimashita. America kara kimashita. So, place here, the place usually is your country or your hometown. And then kara kimashita. Okay? From. Okay, so that's the pattern. I'm from blank. Kara kimashita. Okay. Yan, no? So, blank kara kimashita is I'm from blank. Okay. Next, when you are looking for the restroom. トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか? Now, どこですか means where is. Ayun. And dito naman sa toilet na part, you can change it into blank and lalagay mo dyan yung bagay o tao na hinahanap mo. In this case, nasaan po yung toilet? トイレはどこですか? トイレはどこですか? Okay. So, lalagay mo lang sa blank, no? Anything that you're looking for. So then, it will become, where is blank? Where is blank? Okay. Where's the restroom? トイレはどこですか? Where is John? You're looking for John. Nasaan si John? John wa doko desu ka? Or, you wanna be more polite, you add san sa pangalan ng tao. John-san wa doko desu ka? John-san wa doko desu ka? Okay? Okay? Where is my bag? Where's my bag? Hindi ko makita. Watashi no kaban wa doko desu ka? Watashi no kaban wa doko desu ka? Watashi no kaban Watashi no kaban means my bag. Okay. Now, anything with watashi no means my. My. Okay? Watashi no is my. Watashi no imoto, my younger sister. Okay? Watashi no imoto. Imoto is younger sister, right? So, add ka lang ng watashi no to make it my younger sister. Watashi no imoto. Okay. So, hinanap mo yung sister mo. Ay, nasan yung sister ko? Watashi no imoto wa doko desu ka? Watashi no imoto wa doko desu ka? Ayan. Okay? So, ganun lang, no? Where is someone or where is an object? Anong bagay man yan? Or where is a place? Halimbawa, hinahanap mo yung, ano bang hinahanap natin usually? Oh, let's say, pangalan ng isang ospital, no? Sakura Byoin. Sakura Byoin. Sakura Byoin means Sakura Hospital. Yan, no? Pangalan ng lugar. Wa, doko desu ka? Sakura Byoin wa doko desu ka? Sakura Byoin wa doko desu ka? Where is Sakura Byoin? Okay? So, you're looking for anything, you just say, doko desu ka? Okay? Ayan. Right. Now, just an additional information, toire is toilet. And it's just common for Japanese people to use the word toire. Okay? But there are alternatives to it, no? Pwede mong sabihin na, okay, so lagay ko lang dito, toire is toilet, no? Pwede mo rin sabihin na otearai. Otearai means washroom. Yan. Otearai wa doko desu ka? Okay? Pwede rin naman sabihin na keshoshitsu. Okay. Keshoshitsu is actually powder room. Ayan. So, minsan makikita nyo yung mga yung mga restrooms nila, may nakalagay doon. Kaso in kanji, nakalagay keshoshitsu. So, instead of toire, nakalagay is keshoshitsu, meaning powder room. Ayan. So, it's up to you, no? Kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin. You can say toire. Toire wa doko desu ka? And you can even see it sa mga signs, no? Toire wa koko desu, ganyan. So, this way to the toilet, ganyan. So, may nakalagay toire talaga. Pwede rin naman na gamitin mo yung salitang otearai. Te is hand or hands. So, te. And then, aray is to wash. So, otearay is actually washroom. So, kung ayaw mong gamitin yung salitang toire, you can use otearay. Otearay wa doko desu ka? Okay? Or, ayan. You can also say, 化粧室はどこですか? 化粧室はどこですか? Ayun. Okay po? Gets naman? So far, naiintindihan po? And again, itong mga patterns, itong mga particles na nandito ngayon, yung ka, yung ga, yung de, wa, kara, these particles, no, may mga gamit sila and merong patterns din na sinusunod. Hindi natin sila basta-bastang gagamitin lang anytime na gusto natin, no? Halimbawa, yung o, it is an object marker. Halimbawa, yung wa, it is a topic marker. So, may use ang kada particle. And pag-aaralan natin yan sa N5, N4, and other levels. Ayan po. But etong mga nandito ngayon sa listahan dito sa nakikita nyo sa screen, these are N5 level na mga particles. So, sa N5, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung ano ba yung gamit nila, paano sila ginagamit, paano sila ilalagay sa isang sentence. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. So, for another practice po, no? Okay, so let's practice. Repeat after me po. Biro nomimasu ka? Biro nomimasu ka? チョコレートが好きですか？チョコレートが好きですか？インターネットで調べます。インターネットで調べます。このクラスは楽しいです。このクラスは楽しいです。フィリピンから来ました。フィリピンから来ました。トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？ Okay. Right. So far po ba ay nasusundan niyo po? Okay, very good.